Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I'm going to show you how I paint this paint by line Easter egg kit. I'm going to go in first with some tan, and I'm going to base coat my basket. I'll go in next with the green, and I will paint some of the, or all of the grass that's in my Easter egg basket. I'll also use this green to paint one of my eggs. And then I'll follow that by painting my eggs in the color lavender, turquoise, and I'll finish it with pink and also paint my bow pink. All of these colors are provided in this kit, and I used a number 12 round for most of this. Not a 12 round, a 12 flat. And now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. Again, it is provided. This step is so easy, gives you such clean lines. I'm just going in and outlining everything, following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me, so don't worry about it. You're not having to freehand any of this. Once I'm done outlining everything, though, I will go in with the number 4 in that kit, the 4 round, and some white paint, and I'll just highlight everything following the natural curves. So I'm going to highlight the egg in the way that it curves. I kind of mimic the curve with my highlight. And then after that, I will be completed with this project. As always, I really do hope you guys enjoy these kits, enjoy these videos. Please remember to like and share, comment, let me know what you think about it. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day.